Welcome to my official course of A1. Finally, we're here. I'm so excited to share this with you. Okay, so let me explain a little bit about the structure of this course. It's going to be divided into a lot of small different parts. And then I want you to learn each part really good before you move on to the next one. And then in the very end of the exam, I put a practice exam for you with a lot of questions with answers. Okay, so here you can practice, you can see how it can be done, so you can do good in your exam. Okay, so really quickly before we start the course, I'm just going to go through the list of what we're going to learn here and what is our goals, okay? And the first thing is be able to present yourself and use simple greetings. So if you meet someone new, you meet a stranger, or even if it's your family or your friends, you're able to say hello, goodbye, you're able to say your name, where you're from, those basic things. The second thing is that you're able to speak about the people around you and your clothes. The third thing is how to buy and order things. The fourth thing is to speak about daily activities, the weather, and how to arrange a meeting. And then the next thing is talk about your health and give direction to someone. And the last thing is to order something in a restaurant, okay? You see, as you can see, these things is, there are basic things in Norwegian. That is the goals that are required for A1 level, okay? All right, so before we do anything, we need to learn the alphabet, okay? It's really important for you to know because I need you to know the basic pronunciation of these words, and especially the three letters which are new from the English language, which I have marked in red. So I'm going to start here with the first letter, which is A. And then we have B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, O. Okay, so as you can see here, we have three new letters, which is marked there in red, which is A, O. Okay, if you're not familiar with these letters right here, pay attention to how they're pronounced and how they look, okay? Because I want you to know when they come up that you know how to spell them. And now we're going to move into more greetings and how to present yourself. So the first thing we're going to do here is to teach you how to greet yourself, how to say hello, goodbye, how are you, I'm fine, those things. So that's what we're going to teach you right here. Okay, so the way you say hello is really simple. You say hi, hi, or you can say hi son, or you can say hallo, hallo. Okay, so as you can see here, we have three main ways of saying it in Norwegian. We have probably a lot more, but these are the three main ways. The most used one is just hi or hallo. And then we also use hi son. Okay, so pay attention to how these things are. So when this three comes up, you know that it means hallo, okay? I want you can maybe pick one of them which you prefer, and then you use that all the time. That's what I do. I normally just say hi, okay? The way you say bye is ha det, ha det. Pretty simple, this one. Okay, the way you say how are you is hvordan går det, okay? Hvordan går det. Okay, and then we have a response to this, which is I am good, det går bra. Det går bra. Okay, now we know all these things, so we can say hei, hvordan går det? Det går bra. Ha det. Further, okay? Now I'm going to teach you how to say good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, and those things. And the first thing, which is good morning, you say god morgen. God morgen. Pay real attention to the D here in go, because it's not pronounced but it's written. Okay, if you can listen, it's god morgen. You say go, but it's written with a D. So pay attention because it's not pronounced. It's going to come up in a lot of cases, especially here in this lesson. So pay attention to the D here because it's not pronounced in this word. Okay. And the next thing is good day. You say god dag. God dag. The next one is good afternoon, which is god ettermiddag. God ettermiddag. And then the last one is good night. You say god natt. God natt. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a little bit on how to use those things, because in Norwegian, god morgen and god natt is used all the time. Okay, I say it all the time to my friends, my family, people that I know, strangers. I can say that thing also. Okay, and then I want you to pay attention to the god dag and god ettermiddag, which it means good day, good afternoon. These things are mostly used for people who are older, or if you are in a more formal situation. Okay, I never, for example, I never say this to my friends. I never say this to my family. It's kind of weird, especially if you're young, to say those things. I think it's kind of like the same thing as in English. It's more like for formal situations, or if you're about a bit older. Okay, so make sure you remember that. Okay, because I don't want you to use these things in situations and they can become weird. Okay, so don't do that. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, go to the link in the description. Just fill out your name and your email, and you have access to groups where you can speak with students from all over the world, students of Norwegian. Also, you have access to free videos like this one. Let's go. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.